Hello and welcome to our video on how to use ChatGPT to make informed investment decisions. In this video, we'll cover how you can leverage the power of AI to get insights into your investment opportunities and make informed decisions. Let's get started. Understanding Chat. Before we delve into how to use ChatGPT for investment purposes, let's first understand what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an AI language model designed to provide natural responses to any prompt. It can generate text that is almost indistinguishable from human writing, making it a valuable tool for a range of applications, including investment research. How to use Chat for investment research. Now that we understand what ChatGPT is, let's talk about how you can use it to research investment opportunities. Here are the steps. Identify your investment opportunity. Before you can start using ChatGPT, you need to have a clear idea of what you want to invest in. This could be a specific company, a sector, or a type of investment, such as stocks, bonds, or commodities. Craft a specific prompt. Once you have identified your investment opportunity, you need to craft a specific prompt to ask ChatGPT. The more specific your prompt, the more relevant and accurate the response you will receive. For example, you could ask, what is the growth potential of company X over the next 5 years? Analyze the response. Once you receive a response from ChatGPT, you need to analyze it and determine if it is relevant and accurate. ChatGPT uses natural language processing to generate responses, so it's important to keep in mind that it may not always provide a definitive answer. Validate with additional research. Using ChatGPT as one tool in your investment research arsenal is important. Validate the information you receive from ChatGPT with additional research, such as reading financial reports, analyzing market trends, and consulting with investment experts. Examples of using Chat for investment research. Let's take a look at some examples of how you can use ChatGPT for investment research. Example 1. Evaluating a company's financials. You could ask ChatGPT, what is the current debt-to-equity ratio of company X? The response could provide you with valuable information on the company's financial health, which you can use to inform your investment decision. Example 2. Assessing market trends. You could ask ChatGPT, what is the projected growth rate of the renewable energy sector over the next 10 years? The response could provide you with insights into a growing market trend, which you can use to identify potential investment opportunities. Example 3. Understanding investment terms. You could ask ChatGPT, what is a dividend yield, and how is it calculated? The response could provide you with an explanation of a key investment term, which can help you better understand investment opportunities. In conclusion, using ChatGPT for investment research can provide valuable insights that can inform your investment decisions. However, it's important to remember that ChatGPT is just one tool in your investment research arsenal. Always validate the information you receive with additional research, and consult with investment experts before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching.